Hi there, I'm Carolyn, Trichologist from Absolique. We're talking about food for ferritin again today. So low ferritin deficiency is one of the major causes that we see for hair loss and hair thinning. So we put together food for ferritin, which is a guide of what you need to follow, and we've also put together a little recipe booklet as well. We've had it for quite a few years, but we have to keep updating it because obviously nutrition changes, recipes changes, different things change, and we want to add to it as well. So we're telling you we've got a new updated version of food for ferritin and a recipe booklet available for you now. So we do this to create hair regrowth. So if the levels are too low, we're not going to get hair to grow. So it's a guide and really an essential tool for our clients to help along with supplementation to raise their ferritin. So we don't ask people to go it alone, but it's a really good guide of what we ask for. So what's included in food for ferritin is the symptoms of low ferritin, because some people don't even associate with those. Your daily iron requirements, which is important about what you're putting in your mouth to get to the tank of the ferritin. We talk about the ferritin blood test and explain the levels and why sometimes it's not picked up that it's too low for hair loss or hair growth. We talk about heme versus non-heme iron, and we give you the food examples. So that's your animal protein versus your plant protein. Plant protein is incomplete and needs to be combined, and a lot of people don't know that, so you need to read about that. And we have to understand essential amino acids as well. They're the building blocks. So it's all one thing to eat the iron, but we need to get all the essential amino acids as well. And then importantly, you're not just what you eat, you're what you absorb. So we talk about nutrient robbers, food combining. You've got to know what to eat with what. When you've got low iron and low ferritin, you turn into a sugar burner because your body's looking for energy, and a lot of people are carb loading or looking for these carbs, and you eat them with your proteins, your body's going to go for the sugar. So food combining is super important to understand. We also have iron supplements that we talk about, and you need to understand the difference between iron supplements, but also how and when to take them is super important as well. Vitamin C and iron, you've got to read about that too. The beverages that block iron. A lot of people are drinking things with their food that are just robbing it out altogether. The importance of a balanced diet and eating different foods. Some people are just eating the same meals every day. So there's a lot of content in there. It's a free booklet. You just need to email me and I will send you a free copy of Food for Ferritin and the recipe booklet. But I'm here as a trichologist to help people with hair growth. Okay, so if you do the Food for Ferritin and it's not helping, well then reach out to me and I can help to connect it back through for your hair to grow. So my email is info@absolique.com.au. I'm here in Brisbane, but I can help you anywhere in the world, and we really do. So please reach out.